Okay, those already finished can angkat tangan. Okay, done. Arvind done. Okay, done. Okay, so we go for our second question. Zara done. Okay, all done. Okay, try to do the second question. Iron 3 ion in the solution can be converted into iron 2 ion by adding zinc powder. Which of the following can replace the zinc powder? That's why you must memorize all the ion oxidizing agent and reducing agent. This question very easy. Okay, done. Very easy this one. Okay, next one. We do 3 questions. Okay, which of the following is correct about half equation for the reduction? They want the half equation for the reduction. Inman done, Arvind done. Okay. Okay, so we check the answer question. Okay, so which substance can convert iron 2 to iron 3? So what y'all do here, iron 2 is reducing agent. Okay, iron 2 reducing agent. So it will undergo what reaction? Fe turn Fe3 positive. That means Fe2 positive already turn into Fe3 positive by losing one electron. So what is the name of this reaction? This reaction is called oxidation. What is the role of this ion? So this ion act as reducing agent lah, act as reducing agent. So in order oxidation occur, we need a reduction. Which substance undergo reduction? So the substance act as what agent? Act as oxidizing agent. That means I need to add oxidizing agent. Oxidizing agent undergo reduction. So what are the oxidizing agent? You must remember acidify, potassium, manganese sulfur, and you can take this acidify, potassium, dichromate 6 or chlorine solution, bromine solution, iodine solution, or any solution that contain Fe3 positive ion. Okay, so here answer A. So you see here bromine solution. So you take the bromine solution, add to any except 2 electron, it will form 2 bromide ion. Therefore, this reaction, oxidation and reduction can occur simultaneously, and this reaction is called redox. Siapa dapat jawapan betul? Okay, Sarah. Okay, now we try to do this question. Iron 3 in the solution can be converted into iron 2 by adding zinc powder. Which of the following is the reaction? So, which of the following can replace the zinc powder? This one straight away you put B lah. Okay, we check this one. Iron 3 can be converted into iron 2. Iron 3 is what agent? Oxidizing agent. Undergo reduction. Reduction means what? Except one electron, it's already turned into iron 2. That means it's already turned lah. From iron 3 already turned into iron 2. What is the name of this reaction? It's called reduction. So then we need a oxidation. The substance should undergo oxidation. So we need a reducing agent. Reducing agent, they already give you zinc. More electropositive metal will undergo oxidation by losing 2 electron. It will lose 2 electron. So if zinc can be replaced with another only reducing agent. What are the reducing agent you must memorize? Reducing agent that you must memorize: magnesium, zinc, more electropositive metal, KCl or KBr or KI solution, or NaCl, NaBr or NiAi solution, or iron 2 sulfate. I can't join iron 2 sulfate solution. Iron 2 sulfate solution. Okay, these are the reducing agent undergo oxidation. So answer this now. Okay, now we go for next question. Okay, you all check your answer. Why this fellow cannot join the who's the one? Wait, Okay, now we do this question. Okay, when you see zinc powder, this is more electropositive metal, act as what agent? So act as, you all put here, reducing agent. Reducing agent undergo what reaction? Oxidation. So here you put oxidation. So what will happen? Zinc arrow becomes Zn2 positive plus 2 electron. You already score 1 mark. Iron 3 ion. Iron 3 ion. So iron 3 ion undergo what reaction? Reduction. Reduction, because iron 3 ion act as what agent? So you all put here act as oxidizing agent. Oxidizing agent undergo reduction, right? So iron 3 ion accept 1 electron and form iron 2 ion. We already practiced a lot on this part. So they want the half equation for reduction. So this is your answer. Where is your answer? The answer should be C lah. Okay, siapa tiga-tiga betul? Betul Okay. Okay, okay, so now we go for today's session. Today's session, I will go for this one later. I will share in the group. I want you all to do like exam. Okay, so chapter 2. Okay, chapter 2. Today we will do chapter 2. Then on Thursday, we will do chapter 4 and chapter 6. Okay, okay, chapter 2, all the tips, all the question, the format of question for SPM. SPM 2026. Okay, saya dah buat. Okay, yang mana dah keluar, yang mana belum keluar, all is here. So yang mana belum keluar, all is here. We go through all together. We have 9 question. So you all have to make sure you all answer this type of question. Ini macam ni punya soalan belum pernah keluar. Okay, since 2021 until 2025, this type of question belum pernah keluar. So make sure you all do this question. Okay, can I? So this type of question, you all make sure you do more drills on this part of question. In your book, and the book got 1. Okay, can I? Okay, now next, you have to prepare with this question. Question number 2, they give you the proton number, nuclear number. They ask you to draw the electron arrangement of the atom, all that. Okay, and one more, they give you table like this, number of protons, number of neutrons. They ask you to draw the electron arrangement of ion. Okay, sini electron arrangement of atom. Okay, can I? So this is question number 3. So question number 3. So question number 4 format. Ini everywhere. Like even last year also came out. So we that means they will keep repeating the same thing. So kalau this year got repetition, so they will ask this one lah. How to find the RAM? I already give you one example. Okay, 2 example. After that, I want you all to memorize all the uses. Yang mana belum keluar. Last year keluar hydrogen 3. Used as a detector in study the survey system lah. Okay, last year. So this year, you have to prepare all this. Okay, can I? So this is question number 5. Okay, question number 6, they ask about the nuclear number, proton number, and isotope. Isotope. Okay, so here question number 6, isotope. Question number 7, this type of question belum pernah keluar exam. They give you the uses of isotope and they ask you to state the meaning of isotope. They ask you to identify the isotope, and I got give you one more question. Okay, under the RAM calculation. So that means already got 4. That means in the exam cannot get wrong. Okay, and the last one, this year punya really target. So yang tadi punya semua saya tak boleh faham, saya tak boleh baca. So this year, the heating curve and cooling curve, you go and check the past year question since 2021 until 2025, no question at all. Okay, objective pun tak ada, subjective pun tak ada. So this year, most probably the first question which carries 4 marks will be heating curve or cooling curve. So I already put here heating curve, okay, here cooling curve. So these are the 9 format question that you must drill for this year for chapter 2. Chapter 4 this Thursday, chapter 6 this Thursday. So I will do the structure question first. Okay, so now y'all try to answer first. Okay, so this module we want, later I share. Okay, do this first. Just put the answer in your paper. Okay, y'all put V, answer is what? Y, W is answer what? X is answer what? Okay, those finish can angkat tangan. Okay, so I give you the answer, y'all check. So what is mean by melting point? Melting point means a constant temperature at which before melting particle in solid. After melting, the particle will be in liquid. Okay, what is mean by boiling point? A constant temperature at which liquid changes into gas. And they ask what is the physical state of matter. Physical state of matter means liquid, solid, liquid, gas. Ini saja you punya jawapan. You must put solid, liquid or gas. Okay, can I? At room temperature, what is your room temperature? 25 degrees Celsius. Okay, can I? 25 degrees Celsius. Okay, number one, the range, mathematic lah, you all know, this is negative 1, 8, 8 like that, then dot, dot, dot lah. Where is your 25? 25 somewhere lah. Okay, so that means the particle in what state? Gas. Okay, next one, where is your 25? 25 negative 6, negative 5, dot, 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 25 will be here lah. So next one, W, the particle in what state? The particle in liquid state. Okay, can I? This is very simple, you know. So I erase all this. Okay, next one. Where is your X? Where is the physical state of X? 17.8, 18.8, 19.8, 25 somewhere here. The particle in liquid state. Okay, liquid state. Okay, next one. Okay, where is your 25? 25, this is 28, 27, 26, 25. Particle in what state? Solid state. Solid state. So very simple this one. Okay, and where is your 25 for Z? 25 somewhere here. Okay, on the at the solid part. So the particle in solid state. Any question? Okay, semua betul kan? Okay, so what is the arrangement of the particle of substance Y? Where is your substance Y? Substance Y, okay, is solid, right? How to draw for okay, how to draw for solid, and they want solid, right? So if they ask you to draw all same sides and cannot touch, 1, 2, 3, okay, 4, enough, 4 cukup. And you see it's not same size, right? Kalau boleh make sure all same size. The particle are arranged closely packed. So horizontal 4, vertical also 4 or 3. 1, 2, 3, 4 cukup. 1, 2, 3, 4. So y'all do here. Y'all make sure don't touch. They can draw, they will touch. But y'all make sure jangan sentuh. Okay, so do like this. Okay, so here, okay, arrange. Make sure the particles same size. Dia semua tak payah buat. Only 4, 4. Okay, you already got this right. If let's say in the exam, they ask you to describe the arrangement of the particle. This is solid, right? How was the arrangement of the particle? The particles are arranged. Okay, arranged closely. Closely what? Closely packed. And in order. You already got 1 mark. Any question? If solid, you must draw like this. Okay. Any question? No question. Okay. So understand already. Later you all do. Okay. Name the process occur when substance Z heated from room temperature until 200 degrees Celsius. Substance Z heated from room temperature until 200 degrees Celsius. So you all do lah. Name the process occur when the substance Z heated from room temperature until 200 degrees Celsius. Okay, where is your room temperature? The room temperature is 25 here. Depan kan? So the particles are heated from solid until 200 degrees Celsius. Where is your 200? 200 somewhere here lah. Okay, 200. That means particle heated from solid until liquid. What is the name of the process? Okay, when particle change from solid to liquid. What is the name of the process? The process will be, all of you know, right? The process will be melting process. When particle heated from solid to liquid, the name of the process is called melting. Any question? No question, eh? Okay, now they ask this question. Okay, 3 marks, you know. Okay, sketch temperature against time. When they give this is your title. Title and temperature against time. So when they give the title, first y'all put the title. This is what axis X will be your temperature. So y'all put degrees Celsius. Okay, and this one your axis Y. Okay, sorry, axis Y is your temperature. Axis X is your time. Time, y'all put second. Okay, so you already score 1 mark lah. Okay, can I? Okay, now, okay, when W is called cool from room temperature, cool from room temperature until negative 10 degrees Celsius. Label the freezing point of the substance. So W, where is your W? Okay, it's a cooling process, you know. Cooling process, ah. Okay, cooling process. Okay, W melting point negative 7. Okay, boiling point 59 degrees Celsius. So I put here W, the melting point is negative 7 degrees Celsius, correct? Okay, 7. The boiling point 59 degrees Celsius. Okay, now read the question. Is cool from room temperature to negative 10 degrees Celsius. Negative 10 degrees Celsius. Okay, so you have to sketch the graph. Okay, so I give you time 2 minutes to do this. Three marks and very easy this question. Arvind? Hi, Arvind. Okay, those
Yes,
already
sir.
finished. You want to show your answer? You can snap
Uh,
and WhatsApp to me
can sir.
if
I'll
after
snap
two
and send
minutes.
WhatsApp.
Okay.
Can sir.
If anyone want to share the answer, can. Yasmin, you want to share the answer, can. Kirti also can. Inman, you want to share your answer, can. Snap the picture and send it to me. Okay, I think time's up. So we discuss together. So kalau you already draw, you all check your answer. Can okay, read the question. Actually, very easy, no. Okay, read the question. Substance W is cool from room temperature. So you already do like this, right? So here you all put what? Particle in solid. Okay, after melting point, particle in liquid. Okay, after boiling point, particle in gas. You already put. And what is the melting point of W is okay, -7, boiling point 59, right? The particle cool from room temperature. Room temperature is what? 25. So the particle cool from room temperature, which is 25. That means the particle in what state? Liquid. Okay, until -10. Where is your -10? -10 is here, somewhere here. Okay, the particle cool from liquid state goes to what state? Goes to solid state. From because the room temperature 25, liquid. Okay, and is cool until -10. -10, that is solid. And what is the freezing point of the particle? Melting point sama dengan freezing point. So which is, what is the melting point? Melting point given is -7 degrees Celsius, right? The freezing point is -7 degrees Celsius lah. So particle is cool from liquid to solid. That means cooling process go down. Okay, you go down. Here particle in what state? Liquid. Okay, liquid. Then you see here, this one, you all focus on this part. Here got one horizontal line only. So what you all do here? Here you all do one horizontal. One horizontal. This is your freezing point. After horizontal, the temperature will drop. Here particle in what state? Solid state. Cannot go down like this. Cannot. So until here only. Okay, can. And the horizontal line. Oh, Sam already sent the answer. Very good, lah, Sam. Hey, Sam, I'm happy for you, lah, Sam. Very good, boy.
Thank you, sir.
Yours,
Thank
very
you.
good, very good. Keep up. Okay, mixture of liquid and solid, solid. Very good, Sam. Okay, y'all draw. Okay, saya follow Sam punya jawapan because Sam power. Who you? Okay, so the liquid. So here you put there. Okay, Sam, you put the liquid in the middle between here, middle. Okay, then solid. Here y'all put what? The horizontal line is what? Is a mixture of liquid. Okay, y'all can put solid. You already score 1 mark. Any question? Okay, this is your answer. And where is your freezing point? Label the freezing point. What is your freezing point? The 7, right? Where is your freezing point? You see here, we put on horizontal line, right? Dotted, 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 dotted. Freezing point means what? Temperature. What is the freezing point? So you all put X -7. No need to put the degree Celsius because you already put here. So this is your answer. You already score 3 marks for this question. Siapa dapat jawapan macam ni? Okay, Arish, okay. Okay, make sure you all get full mark. And make sure, remember, this type of question belum pernah keluar exam. Okay, so next week I will give you another one and during the homework lah. So you all try. Okay, so this year highly targeted this type of question. Kalau this type of question tak keluar, okay, y'all copy ready, right? Y'all can watch the recording. Later I will share the recording. Okay, so I go for next question. Okay, this type of question pun lama tak keluar. Okay, kena lama tak keluar, trial sudah keluar, SPM belum keluar. So make sure remember. Okay, when you see this is called standard representation of atom. When they want to do the standard representation of atom, they will put symbol. This symbol is what? Sodium. On the top, they will put 23. 23. This 23 is what? This 23 is nucleon number. Nucleon number. What is 23? Very good. Arvind already shared the image. Fui yo, power lah. See, you all can see Arvind's answer. Okay. You want me to later I show you. Okay, Arvind's one power. Okay, Arvind, the axis X labeling is not clear, but make sure put there. Okay. We check Arvind punya jawapan. I give marks lah, Arwin kan ah.
Answer.
Okay, you see here. Okay, so if let's say like this draw for me, so this one got here no labeling. So what happened? 1 mark gone. Okay, this one, this one, this one. So it's already score 1 mark lah. So 1 mark gone. So he already score point number two. And you already put the freezing point. You already score point number three. So total marks is 3 marks. Okay, Arvin already score 2 marks. Okay, well done. Okay, 2 marks. But I want all full marks. So make sure remember. Okay, can? Okay, so very good. Okay, now we go for our next question. Okay, so when you got this type of question, saya buat betul-betul besar-besar, tolong ingat Okay, when they put Na, this is atom symbol. Here they put one number, big number. This number is called what? Nucleon number. What is the formula to calculate nucleon number? Proton plus neutron. Proton plus neutron. And the small number here is called what number? It is called proton number. Proton number is the number used to what to determine the electron arrangement, all this. When they give this is called standard representation. Atas nuclear number, bawah proton number. From this, you must know the three subatomic particle. Proton 11. Okay, electron, when you see this is atom, proton sama dengan electron. So proton and electron are same. Neutron 23 minus 11. So 23 minus 11, which is 12. You already score 1 mark. Okay, all these must memorize. Okay, after that, you all must remember how to do the electron arrangement. The electron arrangement you want to do, you use the electron number or proton number 2.8.1. Any question? 2.8.1. Okay, so you already score. And the valence electron of this atom is the one, the outermost shell, Yani, and the electron that occupied in the outermost shell is 1 electron. Any question? I give you another one. If let's say they give you potassium 39, 19, okay, the nucleon, this is called what number? Nucleon number. Nucleon number is used to determine the RAM, okay, relative atomic mass. And this number is what number? Proton, okay, proton number. Okay, and what is the proton? Proton 19. What is the electron? Electron 19. What is the neutron? 39 minus 19, which is 20. 20, correct, 20. Okay, any question? Okay, and how to do the electron arrangement? How to do the electron arrangement? We use the proton number or we can use the number of electron. 2.8.8. Okay, 2.8.8 wrong. Okay, 2.8.8. A lot of students will do what? 2.8.9. Okay, if you do like this, wrong already. Wrong already because you see the valence shell 9 means in the periodic table mana ada group 19. The valence shell 1 electron means group 1. Okay, 2 electron means group 2. 3 electron means group 13, 14, 15, 16. We have until group 18 in the periodic table. If you put 9 wrong already. Okay, so what you all have to do? If 9, you do what? Make it 8. Okay, so 19 minus 18, you will get 1 right. 1. That means potassium from group what? Group 1. Okay, make sure do like this. Any question? Any question? No question. Okay, now we try to answer this question. Okay, the number 7 of atom P, this is represent what? Basic question. Macam ni yang akan keluar untuk exam. Basic question, but a lot of student will do mistake, So you must put this is called what? Nucleon. Okay, nucleon number. Ini saya buat. Next one you all do lah. Okay, now. Okay, so I do. Okay, next one I will do, one question you all do. Okay, and the 3 represent what? 3 represent proton number. Don't put number of protons, proton number. The terms nuclear number, proton number. When you get this type of question, you all put here NN, PN. Okay, can I? So you already score 2 marks. Any question? Again, write the electron arrangement of atom Q. So they ask you to write. Kalau write, Very simple. Okay, easy. So here you see an atom Q. Where is your atom Q? So you take the proton number 12. So Q, proton number 12. How to do the electron arrangement? 2.8.2. You already score 1 mark. Any question? Any question? No question, eh? Okay, now they ask you to draw. Draw the electron. Here they put draw, Lucas. Okay, electron arrangement of atom R. So what y'all will do, I want y'all to do like this. Atom R, okay, the nuclear number 35, the proton number 17. 17, right? You do like this. Very simple. Follow, eh? Okay. After you do this, how many proton? 17. How many electron? You see, this is atom. Atom, right? Atom, proton, and electron are equal. So 17. Neutron, how much? How much the neutrons? 35 minus 17, which is 18 lah. So you put here neutron 18. So how you find 35 minus 17, which is 18 neutron? You all do like this, can Okay, after you do this, you do the electron arrangement. Electron arrangement, use this number or this number, 2.8. Okay, so 17 minus 10, balance is 7. 7 you still can put. Do like this. Okay, can 2 marks, After that, what y'all do? Y'all locate nucleus first. Draw the nucleus. Inside the nucleus, how many protons? Small p, small p, how many neutron? Inside the nucleus, we have small n, small p. How many neutron? So you put here 18 small n. 17 small p, all small p, any padam, okay, small p, you already score 1 mark. Must label the nucleus like this. You already score 1 mark for this. Any question? Okay, after that, you all do the electron arrangement. How many shell? First shell, second shell, third shell. So the first shell, how many electron? You all take the 2 electron. Okay, the second shell, 8 electron. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I already do this. And the valence shell, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You already got 7. Very simple. You already scored 2 marks. Any question? And make sure these two huruf kecil, small n, small p. Okay. Any question? Okay, so 2 marks, must label the nucleus. In the book also got. Okay, now I already do 1. You guys do 1. Just now punya nanti orang akan tengok recording. Later I will share the recording in YouTube. You all can see. Okay, I want to finish up all 9 questions. Table 1 shows the number of protons and number of neutrons for X, Y, W. Sorry, X, Y, Z. Okay, so number of protons given, number of neutrons given. Okay, this question you all just write tiga A answer, B answer, C answer. You can snap and send it to me. Tengok siapa dapat full mark. I will mark your paper. Okay. Okay, this question 1 minute from now. Okay, this question done. Okay, now this question. Second question, B. 30 seconds from now, write the standard representation of element Z. 30 seconds from now. Arvind got to ask question now. Arvind, what is your question?
The answer, sir.
Oh, answer. Okay, I will share this module in your group now. Okay, y'all can, you want to answer? Answer lah. Answer and screenshot send it to me. Okay, now I put in the group. Okay, I already share in the class group. Okay, question B done. Which of the following elements belongs to same group? Explain your answer, 2 marks. Okay, this is 1 mark, 1 mark, 2 marks. Okay, ini pun 2 markah. Okay, this question done. Okay, draw the electron arrangement of, they put ion, not atom. This is ion. Just now we draw atom. Now ion. Ion W, 2 marks. Amirul, kalau dah siap, hantar. Sharwan, if you already finished, you can snap picture, send it to me. Inman, you pun boleh hantar. Inman, then ni Elina boleh hantar. Semua boleh hantar lah. Okay, siapa dah siap, angkat tangan. Amirul, you already done or not? Abhishek? Auni? Syada? Katie? Diana? Okay, we discuss together. Okay, can y'all got try right? Later do can Okay, this question is very easy, no. Okay, this type of question kena buat. Okay, what is mean by nuclear number? Nuclear number means total protons and neutrons that present in an atom. These are the keyword you must remember. Okay, so you are Diana should have finished. Okay, we check Diana's answer. I check the total number of protons and neutrons in the nucleus of an atom, 1 mark. Okay, 34, 39, 19, 1 mark. The atom is that because belongs to the same group because both atom have the same number of valence electron, 1 mark. Perfect. Dana, yours is this one correct? Correct. The last one is wrong. Okay, the last one only 2 marks. Any correct? This one correct. This one correct. Perfect. Okay, but the last one y'all try to do. Okay, so this answer. Okay, total. So y'all put here total. Okay, number of protons. Total number of protons and neutrons. Okay, neutrons in an atom. That's all. You must put in an atom that present in the nucleus of an atom pun dapat. But I want this word, total number of protons and neutrons in an atom. You guys already score 1 mark. Any question? Any question? No question. No question, eh? Okay, now we go for element Z. Element Z, they want the standard representation. So you all buat di sini. Element Z, proton is how much? Proton is 19. Electron, 19. Okay, neutron, how much? 20. Okay, so you all put the symbol. Okay, Z, nuclear number. What is the nuclear number? So if you want to find the nuclear number, what you all do? Proton plus neutron. So your proton 19, neutron 20, 19 plus 20, 39. So you put 39. And bawah ini adalah what number? This is called proton number. Total number of protons which is 19. So you all put 19. 39, bawah 19. So you already score 1 mark. Any question? Any question? No question, eh? So this one, you already score 1 mark. Okay, next, you go for group. Okay, predictable. In predictable, always remember the group belongs to, okay, here predictable belongs to what? Group belongs to valence electron. Okay, if valence electron 1, group 1. Valence electron 2, group 2. 3, 13. 4, 14. 5, 15. 6, 16. 7, 17. 8, 18. Okay, and the period. Okay, must remember this one. Period is number of shell. Number of shell filled with what? Filled with electron. Okay, if number of shell filled with electron, that is refers to the period. Okay, so now we go for how to find the number, which group. So this is 2.6. Okay, this one is 2.8.1. So it has valence electron of 1. Okay, this Y 2.8.5. It has valence electron 5. Z 2.8.8.1. So which one has the same valence electron? Same valence electron 1, 1. So X and Z. So y'all put what? Answer atom, atom X and Z. You already score 1 mark. Any question? Why? Because these both atoms have same number of what? Same number of valence electron. That's all. You already score 1 mark. Any question? So you already score 2 marks. Very simple answer. Okay, now we do the last one. Okay, draw the electron arrangement of, they put ion. You circle this, ion W. So you do what? Here you put atom W. So I put atom, I put ion W. Bila diletak ion, mesti open bracket. Ion, cation or anion, you must open bracket and close bracket. Make sure remember, when ion, you must open bracket, close bracket. Number, ini positive ke or negative ke later. Positive or negative. When ion, you must open bracket and close bracket. Okay, no need to label nucleus. Okay, but you must draw the nucleus. Okay, nah? Okay, now I do atom first. Atom W. Okay, W. So I put atom W, dia punya proton berapa? Proton 8. 2.6. 2.6. Okay, the electron arrangement is 2.6. Okay, and when you see valence electron 6. Valence electron 6. This is called non-metal. 4, 5, 6, 7 all non-metal. Non-metal will do form what ion? N ion. What is N ion? Negative ion. Okay, N ion means what? Negative ion. Valence electron 4, 5, 6, 7 all will form N ion, negative ion. So you put here W negative. How many electron accepted? Ingat 8, 8 octet. It has valence electron 6. It will accept how many electron to achieve octet? 2 electron. Once any accept 2 electron, dia sudah dapat 8 dan dia sudah mencapai susunan apa? Octet. Octet most stable, right? Ambil 2 electron. It accept 2 electron, right? 2 electron. So the symbol here, the charge, you put 2 magnitude negative. Any question? Any question? No question, right? Okay, what is the electron arrangement of this atom? Atom 2.6, right? Kamu dah tulis tadi kan? Mana sini dah tuliskan 2.6, right? So, here, what is the electron arrangement of this ion? 2.6 plus 2. It accept 2 electron, right? So, you get what? 2.8. Any question? Bila dia letak ion, mesti ingat is already achieve what? Is already achieve stable octet or duplet electron arrangement. That means the valence shell mesti ada 2 ataupun 8. Okay, for this case, ion saja mesti ada 2 atau 8. Already achieve octet. You see here, already got 8. Any question? So what how to do? W nucleus. Okay. W nucleus. No need to label. Okay, how many shell? 1, 2. So I put here first shell. Okay, second shell. First shell, how many electron? 2 electron. So I put here first shell, 2 electron. Second shell, how many electron? 8. So I put here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And magnitude semua dah ada, you already score 2 marks. Siapa dapat jawapan macam ni? Ada. Sir, you're going very fast. I don't understand at all. We do one more N ion. Okay, can I do this one. Y 15. Okay, so I put here Y 15. I want y'all to do for ion Y. Draw the electron arrangement of ion Y. See, y'all can do or not. 1 minute from now. Siapa yang angkat tangan tu? Saya rasa full mark lah. Hey, Afika, you say you cannot join? Afika, you told me cannot join?
Can.
You know? Oh, Adi Anman already finished. Okay, now we do together. Okay, y'all focus Can Saya rasa Adi yang dah buat. Adi Anman sudah buat, maksudnya semua dah buat lah. Amirul pun dah buat. Dan ini pun satu geng lah. Okay, now we do together. 2.8.5. Okay, take the proton number, do the electron arrangement. Okay, done ready, right? Okay, then you see the valence electron. Valence electron 5. Okay, when valence electron 4, 5, 6, 7, okay, 7, it is known as what? Non-metal. Non-metal. So non-metal. Non-metal will form what ion? Okay, negative ion. Negative ion. So when they ask ion, open bracket, close the bracket. Ini kena ada. Then you put what charge? You already know non-metal, right? So negative. How many negative? I don't know. Okay, can? Okay, then after that, what you all do, you do take the electron arrangement 5. It will accept how many electron to achieve octet. It will accept 3 electron, sudah mencapai octet. That means the 3 accept how many electron? 3, right? So you all put here 3 electron. It accept 3 electron. Take the 3, put here. So here, you want to draw, you put what? 3 negative. Any question? Okay, now I want to do the electron arrangement. That means once Y form 3 negative ion, what is the electron arrangement of this ion? Ion saja mesti ada octet. Okay, in the valence shell. That means this electron arrangement 2.8.5, just now 5, right? Dia tambah berapa electron? 3 electron. And achieve what? Achieve octet. Any question? This is the electron arrangement. So how to draw for this? Y nucleus. Okay, first shell, it has how many shell? 3 shell. 1, 2, 3. Okay, first shell, second shell, okay, and valence shell. First shell, how many electron? 2 electron. Second shell, how many electron? 8 electron. Okay, valence shell, how many electron? Tadi ada 5, it accept 3, total 8 electron. You already scored 2 marks. Any question? We already do 2 example. If you still only want to do more means later practice lah. Cat ion minggu depan. Cat ion you all do lah, easy. Okay, and ion. Any question? Okay, no Okay, we go for next question. We have still in question number 4. We have total 9 Okay, now we go for calculation. I will do one, you guys do one. Okay, I will do one, you guys do one. Okay, okay. So relative calculate naturally percentage of what they give you percentage of isotope. They want you to find the RAM of the isotope. Sini ada berapa isotope? It has total 3 isotope. They want you to find the RAM. Jangan pergi hafal formula all. Very simple only. Okay, this is called what number? Nucleon number. You take the nucleon number times with the percentage plus one more isotope. We have 3 isotope, right? Nucleon number times with the percentage. Okay, percentage, the number of the percentage. Plus we have one more isotope, right? Nucleon number times with the number of percentage divide with total percentage selalu 100. Faham? This is the formula. No need to memorize the formula. Very easy. Sir, how to do lah? I don't know. You go very fast, Neo. Okay, so I do again. This one cannot get wrong, you know. One isotope, nuclear number 24 times what is the number of percentage? 79. Okay, jangan pergi tulis macam ni. Salah. Okay, so tak boleh ada percentage di sini. So plus. So I already finished first isotope. Okay, then second isotope, what do you do? Plus. Okay, open bracket. What is the nuclear number? 25. Times with what is the number of percentage? 10. Okay, plus I go for third isotope. Third isotope, the nuclear number is 26 times with the number of percentage 11. Okay, divide with total percentage. Ini total percentage 79 tambah 10 tambah 11 100 percentage. So what is your answer? Calculator, find the answer. Anyone can give me the answer?
24.32.
Okay,
24.32.
Okay, 24.32 and make sure no unit. Okay, no unit. And in the exam, please remember this is 0.1, this is 0.2. 2 marks, you know. Don't waste your marks. Okay, now I want answer like this. Okay, this one I already do, right? Okay, next one you guys do for me. Silver got 2 isotope. Silver 107, silver 109.
Sir,
Hmm.
how many significant figures or how many decimal points we have to take?
2 decimal point for these 2 decimal point. If cannot means 1 decimal point.
Okay. Thank you,
In
sir.
Form 6, later Form 6, you will learn 2 decimal point. Form 6 A level all.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
The number can be more than 100, sir.
Huh?
Number can be more than 100.
Which one? The percentage, total percentage.
Ah.
Total
Oh, no, right?
percentage 100 only. You see this one 100. Okay, you calculate this one 100. Divide 100 only. So I still don't understand. In this module got 3 question, you know. Make sure you all understand the 3 question. Last year SPM came out. The year 2024 also came out. Okay. So must memorize. Okay, we check the answer. We got how many isotope? 2 isotope, right? So you all put here RAM. Okay. So what is the nuclear number of first isotope? 107 times, what is the percentage? 51.84. Don't put like this. If you put the symbol of percentage wrong already. Cannot put. Okay. So I put. Okay. So one isotope done, right? Plus another isotope. What is the nuclear number? 109. 109. What is the percentage? 48.16. Divide with total percentage. What is the total percentage? Plus, you will get what? 100. So calculator, find the answer. Answer, anyone? 100.
They get 107, sir.
The total percentage is
107.
100%. 107. Okay, 107.
Point
The
nine.
0.96.
Point
0.96.
9.
0.9.
Okay, 0.96. Okay. The percentage should be 100. The RAM value can be more than 100 lah. This is
Oh, okay.
RAM. Habis ni Adianman, jangan keliru tau. Okay. Your concentration should be accurate. Okay, now. Okay, last year came out is what isotope? Hydrogen. Hydrogen 3. Hydrogen 3 sudah keluar. Hydrogen 3 sudah keluar. Carbon 14 sudah keluar. Okay, carbon 14, hydrogen 3 dah keluar, iodine 131 dah keluar. Yang lain belum keluar. But this one they can repeat. So practice all the isotope and uses. Cobalt 60. What is the function of cobalt 60? To destroy. Destroy what cell? Cancer cell. To sterilize. Sterilize the surgical instrument. Sterilize the semua tuliskan surgical instrument. Okay, to destroy cancer cell, to sterilize the surgical instrument. Okay, this is cobalt 60. Iodine 131. Anyone? Anyone? Mana? Inman, what is the answer for iodine 131?
Good.
Inman. Okay. Or anyone? What is the answer for
Sir,
iodine 131? Yeah.
Detect thyroid diseases.
Oi, power lah, Sam. Okay. Okay. So iodine 131 is injected in thyroid gland, thyroid gland to detect thyroid diseases like goiter, hyperactive formation of hyperactive cell in thyroid gland. So is injected or to detect THYROID thyroid diseases. Okay, thyroid diseases. What is the thyroid diseases? Goiter, formation of cancer cell in thyroid gland. Carbon 14. This one can repeat, untuk bantu pelajar-pelajar yang lemah. Okay, to detect what? The age. Age of what? Age of fossil. Age of fossil and ancient artifact. Okay, age of fossil enough lah. Okay, it's used in archaeology. Okay, lead 210. Amirul, what is the answer? Zara, what is the answer?
Sewer detect sewer leakage.
No. What leakage?
Sewer.
Sewer leakage. Okay. Ingat Zara, what is the answer?
Sir,
Sam. Power lah you.
determine age of sand, soil, earth layers up to 80 years. 80 years.
Yeah. Yeah, very good. Okay, to detect the age of, you all put your soil, tanah. Okay, and sand. Okay, you can put to detect age of soil, sand, and earth. Earth layer, we have tectonic plate, all right. Earth layer, you must put up to 80, 80 tahun, up to 80 years old. Okay, this is the function of lead 210. Ini belum keluar exam so you all put here BKE SPM, belum keluar exam. To detect the age of soil, sand, and earth layer up to 80 years old. Okay? And one more phosphorus 32 langsung tak pernah keluar. Okay, ini pun kena ingat to study. Study the plant metabolism or the rate of absorption of phosphorus fertilizer by plant. You letak macam ni je lah cukup. Kan ya? Okay, last one. Sodium 24. Tadi Amirul bagi tahu kan, yang itu sodium 24. To detect. Detect must put this underground. Underground pipe leakage. To detect underground pipe leakage. So all this will give you full mark, you know. Make sure memorize lah. So make sure after this chapter 2, whatever question you all can do. Okay, the module in the group, redo again, watch the recording and check. To destroy cancer cell, to sterilize the surgical instrument, cobalt 60. To detect thyroid diseases, iodine 131. Carbon 14 to detect the age of fossil. Lead 210 to detect the age of soil, sand, and earth layer up to 80 years old. Okay, phosphorus 32 to study plant metabolism. Sodium 24 to detect underground pipe leakage. Okay, ini saja. Okay, kena hydrogen 3 dah last year dah keluar. Okay, nanti orang buat lah. Okay, next we go for isotope. We have 2 more part lah. Isotope, first question I will do. Second question you guys do. Okay, after finish isotope, ini last. Then chapter 2 finish lah. Ini saja chapter 2. Okay, calculation you already do, isotope you already do, drawing you already do. Okay, all this. So you all make sure saya dah bersembilan kan. Make sure you all tonight you all do 5 more question. So chapter 2 you already finish everything. Then we go for chapter 4, chapter 6, chapter 8. Once chapter 2, 4, 6, 8 you already do, that means you already passed the chemistry. Okay, and the next round kita pergi nombor ganjil. Chapter 1, chapter 3, chapter 5, and chapter 7. The one you already do, that means you already cover, okay, 45 to 55% of question for Form 5, SPM. So then Form 5, then you sudah dapat A+. Okay, kena? Okay, now we go for this question. Okay, they will ask what is the meaning of isotope. What is the meaning of isotope? Kalau you nak guna table boleh, you tak nak guna table pun boleh. So what is the meaning of isotope? Mesti ada perkataan ni. Atoms of same. Same element. You must memorize. Atoms of same element. Tak ada ni, pemeriksa takkan baca. Okay, then I put here which, okay, shows. Shows, okay, then I put here same. Same, you see here, this is same. This is what? You use the table, same proton. Proton number. Same proton number. Then, but you use the table. Okay, you choose these two, right? These two is isotope, right? They show same proton number, which is 6. The proton number 6, same, right? Same proton number, but you put here different. Okay, different what number? Tulis ini. Apa yang diberi? Different nucleon number. This is one definition. You can use this definition. Atoms of same element which show same proton number but different nuclear number. Ini pun diterima. If you want to use another definition, atoms of same element which show same number of protons, different number of neutron, yang itu pun diterima. Okay, but make sure when you use same proton number, you must use different nuclear number. Cannot change the terms. Any question? So I don't understand. Can you redo again? Okay, I redo again. I use the table now. One more definition I will use here. Here got one more definition, right? The one in the textbook all lah. Okay, you can use mana-mana satu. Okay, so we do again. I use the table. This one. So first point, I put here atoms of same element. Must write this. Atoms of same element which show, okay, same. What number? This 2 is isotope, right? So I follow the definition given in the table. For the same proton number. Okay, but different. Okay, different what number? So this 2 is different, right? So different, I choose the nucleon number. So I already score 1 mark. Any question? This one I will do. Okay. Now I do this one. choose two atoms which are isotope. So yang mana proton number same, yang mana nuclear number different. So if you see here the proton number same, right? Isotope shows the number of protons. The isotope will show the same number of protons, different number of neutrons. Okay, so here you see the proton 6, nuclear number 12, 14. So atom W and atom X. So I put here atom W, okay, and atom X. I already score 1 mark. Any question? Explain your answer. So I put here both atoms, okay, F, okay, same number of protons. Okay, here I put same number of protons. Their proton ini kan P and N. This one same, this one different, right? What is this? How to answer P? Number of protons. How to answer N? Number of neutron. Okay, both atoms have same number of protons, but different number of what? Number of neutrons. Okay, number, then I write down number of neutrons. So you already score 1 mark. Any question? Okay, in the exam, please remember when they put PEN, how to answer this? Number of protons. How to answer this? Number of electrons. How to answer this? Number of neutrons. Any question? Okay, isotope shows same number of protons, different number of what? Different number of neutrons. Any question? No question, ah? Hey, why I repeat the same question, ah? Okay, sorry, I repeat the same question, lah. Can, huh? Okay, we do the last question. Explain why atoms in C1. So that means this one, lah. You choose what? Atom W and atom X. Why this both atom shows the same chemical properties? Anyone want to try? Anyone want to try? Yeah, remember, very good, Ani. The chemical properties of an atom is determined by the valence electron, must memorize. Okay, a lot of students will put what? Both atoms show same proton number. Therefore, they have same chemical properties. Then you will end up in 0 mark. Okay, please remember this one 2.4, this one 2.4, and the chemical properties of an atom is determined by the valence electron, which is 4. Okay, so if they ask why atom in C1 shows same chemical properties, so you put like this: both atoms have same number of valence electrons. Valence electron, which is 4. They have 4 valence electron, right? So therefore, they show same chemical properties. Any question? Any question? So these are the type of question can come out in the exam. Okay, now we do another question. This one y'all do lah. Okay, this one y'all watch the recording later and do lah. Can the module in the group try to redo again. Okay, P to kill cancer cell, Q to detect underground pipe leakage, R to study the plant metabolism. They want the definition of isotope. So now I want to do here, y'all do proton, electron, neutron. When I put like this, y'all must put what? Number of proton. This one, number of electron. This one, number of neutrons. Okay, nah? Ini saya padam lah. Those want to share the answer can. Okay, if you already finished first question, angkat tangan. I go for next question. Okay, done. Okay, we go for our next question. Okay, what is P identify isotope PQR?
So can send in WhatsApp also.
I already send the module in
No,
the group.
I send answer, done ready.
Yeah, can. Sorry, sir, I can't join the class today. Horrible Wi-Fi connection. What is horrible Wi-Fi connection? Ini siapa ni? Christina Marisha. Okay. Hey, Adian man, I'm waiting for your answer lah. Share lah. I
So
want to
WhatsApp,
show it to
sir.
Amirul.
WhatsApp.
Where? Oh, you sent
WhatsApp.
already. Atoms of same element that have same number of protons but different number of neutrons. Different number of neutron. Perfect, 1 mark. Cobalt 60, 1 mark. Q, sodium 24, 1 mark. Okay, R, phosphorus 32, 1 mark. Calculation, how you do lah? D. Adyanman, suddenly what happened to you?
Oh, wait,
69?
terbalik, sir.
69, I don't know. You do, I don't know lah. Okay, the one correct. 69.1 times 63. Okay, your answer 63.61. Hey, what happened to you? Suddenly you change a lot. Amirul punya pasal lah.
Correct,
Okay, perfect marks, Adianman. You score perfect score. Okay, we try to do together. Okay, Adianman dapat perfect score lah. Okay, we do together. This is what atoms of same element. Atoms of same element must put this word. Okay, which shows same number. I use same number of protons. Same number of protons. Okay, but different. Okay, different number of what? Number of neutrons. You can use this one also. Okay, same atoms of same element which shows same number of protons but different number of neutrons. So you already score 1 mark. Okay, to kill cancer cell, we put what? Cobalt. Okay, cobalt dash 60. Must do like this. Underground leakage, underground pipe leakage. You sorry. You guys put sodium 24. R, to study the plant metabolism, phosphorus. Phosphorus, PHRS, phosphorus 32. You guys already score full mark. Any question? The spelling all check. Okay, now we go for how to calculate the RAM. Ini example number 3. Okay, so make sure you all get full mark. Okay, so how to find the RAM of copper 63? This is nuclear number. This is nuclear number. Here they already put percentage, So you take the nuclear number 63 times with the percentage 69.1. Okay, you nak tukar depan ke apa ke, tak apa, tak ada masalah. Plus, you take the nuclear number of another isotope, which is 65, times with the percentage 30.9, divide with total percentage. Ini tambah ini, you will get what? 100. Divide with total percentage. So, your answer, at the end, your answer?
63.61.
63.61. No unit. You score you take your 2 marks, sorry. Any question? Okay, so far, ini kan Adian mendapat full mark lah. Okay, this type of question can come out in the exam. Any question? Any question? Any question? No question. Okay, we go for last part of chapter 2. So these are the format questions. So selalu buat soalan macam ni, you already score full mark. Okay, when you do one question, I will do. Another question you guys do for Mila, can I? Okay, this one I will do. Melting process. Naphthalene. Before you do this, naphthalene C10H8. Okay, C10H8. And when you see non-metal plus non-metal, carbon non-metal, hydrogen non-metal, oxygen non-metal, all non-metal, right? Non-metal plus non-metal, the particles that present is molecule. Naphthalene, what particle? Molecules. Kena hafal. Okay, and this is eating curve. Here particle in solid, here particle in liquid. This one mixture of solid plus liquid. Okay, and what is the name of the process? This is melting process. Okay, where is your melting point? The horizontal line. This is your melting point. Ini semua kena ingat. Any question? Any question? No question, right? Okay, before that, before I go this, I do one. Okay, I take one solid. One solid, this solid. This solid kamu panaskan. You heated. You heated using Bunsen burner. When you heated using Bunsen burner, it will do what? Heat energy. Energy is absorbed. The particle will absorb heat energy. Dia serap tenaga haba. Serap tenaga haba. This is what? Solid. Okay, when it absorbs heat energy, what will happen? The forces of attraction will be overcome. Ini pecah. Pecah ini adalah apa? Liquid. So why the particle absorb heat energy? To overcome the forces of attraction. To do what? To overcome. To overcome forces of attraction. Any question? Any question? Ini mana nak jawab? Why this line? Horizontal. Kenapa di sini tak ada tambah? Kenapa di sini tak ada tambah? Kalau ditanya why this line is horizontal, you punya jawapan heat energy is absorbed. Tenaga haba diserap. Okay, and one more point to overcome the forces of attraction. Point number 2. That's all. You already score 2 marks. Any question? Any question? No question, Okay, now I do this question. State the type of particles. Okay, bila dia letak particles, my answer atom, ion or molecule. Ini saja. So naphthalene C10 non-metal. Hydrogen non-metal. Non-metal, what type of particles? You put here molecules. 1 mark. Any question? No question, Okay, next question. Explain why temperature does not change from T1 to T3. So, sir, I don't understand. You go very fast. Okay, where is your T1? Okay, this one is your T1, right? From here to here, why temperature remain constant? Okay, why temperature remain constant? Because the particle absorb heat energy. Okay, absorb heat energy to overcome the forces of attraction. This is your answer. Okay, can I? So your answer should be the particles. What particle? The naphthalene. Sebab you dah tulis molecules ni kan? So the naphthalene. Okay, naphthalene molecules. Molecules will do what? It will absorb. Absorb what energy? Absorb heat energy. Tenaga haba. You already score 1 mark. Okay, then you put here to overcome. To overcome what? The forces. Forces of attraction. Forces of attraction between the particles. Between the particles, you already score point number 2. Any question? Any question? No question. Okay, can I? Okay, so the naphthalene molecule absorbs heat energy, 1 mark. To overcome the forces of attraction between the particle and the mark. Next question, state the melting point. They want the temperature. Okay, why Adianman? Angkat tangan.
So naphthalene molecule, can you just the naphthalene? Or must put naphthalene
Naphthalene
molecule?
molecule, because here you already put the molecule, right? So the molecule will absorb heat energy. Can I?
Okay.
The naphthalene molecule, if you don't understand means you don't want to put means the particles will absorb heat energy, 1 mark, to overcome the forces of attraction of the mark. Can I? Okay. So next, state the melting point of naphthalene. Where is the melting point? This is the one, right? So what you all do here, the melting point 80 degrees Celsius. You already score 1 mark. And comma, they ask what is the physical state and melting point? That means here, melting point, this is in horizontal line. What is the physical state? This is the one, mixture of solid and gas. So you So this is the question that can come out in the exam. Okay, and my target for SPM this year, SPM 2026 ini. Last year kita predict eating curve tak keluar. The year before keluar tak keluar, tak keluar, tak keluar, tak keluar. 5 tahun tak keluar, tahun ke-6 ini akan keluar. So make sure yang tadi punya semua you tak practice. Bagi pelajar yang want to make it simple and you want to direct answer, you practice on this. Okay, now practice on eating curve and cooling curve. You already practice eating curve, right? Okay, now cooling curve. The graph shows temperature against cooling of naphthalene. Okay, this one y'all answer lah. Arvind, what is mean by freezing point? Amirul? Zara?
Sir, is it a constant temperature where solid turns into liquid? Sorry,
Freezing.
liquid turns into solid.
Yeah, very good. Okay. Melting point, same as freezing point. Melting point, the definition of melting point, a constant temperature at which solid changes into liquid. You can put at certain pressure, you tak letak pun tak apa. But I want a constant temperature at which solid changes into liquid is a melting point. Freezing point means a constant temperature. A constant temperature at which liquid changes into solid. Okay, these two definitions must memorize. Okay, number one done. Number two, what is the freezing point of naphthalene? This is 2024 trial paper. Sorry, 2022 trial paper. Johor trial paper. Okay, freezing point Diane. Okay, this question 2 marks. Why the temperature remain unchanged from L to M? From L to M. Yeah, this one you can memorize now. Why the temperature remain unchanged? So this one you have to memorize again. Okay, so now check the answer. Okay, I wait for 1 more minute. So y'all answer this now. Okay, now we do this question. Okay, what is the meaning of freezing point? Y'all put here a constant. Y'all check your answer. Constant temperature. Mesti ada constant temperature. Don't put a constant point lah, all that. Constant temperature at which liquid. Okay, liquid changes. Changes into what? Into solid. Very simple definition. You already score 1 mark. What is the freezing point of naphthalene? This is your freezing point and this is your freezing point. So you put here Y2 degrees Celsius. You already score 1 mark. Any question? Any question? No question. Okay, now we go for last one. Why the temperature remain unchanged? Ini kena hafal. How to hafal this one? So you put here the heat energy. Okay, the heat energy released by the particles. So y'all put here released by the particles. The heat energy released by the particles is exactly balanced. Okay, balanced by the heat loss to the surrounding. Okay, is lost to the surrounding as the particles are attracted one another to form solid state. I want this answer. The heat energy released by the particles is exactly balanced by the heat loss to the surrounding. That means the particle release heat energy, and the heat energy is balanced by the particles so that they can build a force of attraction between the particles, and the particles attracted to one another. Okay. Ini pun kena ingat. Kena. Okay, now what y'all do, just do like this. Okay, this question in the exam, maybe they show you this. What phenomena is this? Anyone?
Supercooling.
Supercooling.
Okay, this phenomena is called what? Supercooling phenomena. Must memorize. Why this supercooling phenomena is occur? Kena ingat. Kenapa? Okay,
Uneven
so
cooling
why
process.
kalau ditanya, very good. Why? Because uneven cooling process. Cooling process is conducted. That means that they do what? They didn't put the liquid into the conical flask and cool. Okay, patut orang letak macam mana? How to cool the ni? We take the conical flask. We take the conical flask, kita masukkan boiling tube in the conical flask with liquid. Okay, kita panaskan, kita sejukkan. Okay, sejukkan. This is the cooling process. So what happened to prevent from the wind lah. So the student didn't use the conical flask. So your answer, uneven cooling process is conducted. And one more point. Anyone? One more point. The cooling liquid, okay, is not stir. Kamu tak kacau. Stir continuously. Okay, continuously using what? Using the thermometer. Thermometer. Kamu tak kacau dengan sekata lah. Okay, this is the supercooling process. Ini pun kena ingat. Okay, any question guys? No question, eh? Okay, so far we already finished chapter 2. Chapter 2, these are the questions that can come out. So make sure you do revision and do more question until chapter 2, 100 over 100. Then chapter 4, 100 over 100. All question you can answer. And after finish chapter 2, chapter 4, chapter 8, that means you're already confident, you already got a full mark. Okay, you can score lulus, then the ganjil one, number ganjil one can make you get C lah, all that. And Form 5 chapters, okay, if you can do means you can go for A plus lah. Okay, so this module I already share in the group. I already give answer. Y'all redo on your own, okay, and y'all can check the recording lah. Okay, so that's all for today. Kita jumpa on Thursday, chapter 4 and chapter 6. Okay, take care. Bye semua.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Thank you,
Okay,
sir.
bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, Arvind.